operator to mask them. Like AND operator, if you use AND operator, you make that 5 to 10 bits as in 0 and rest of the bits will be same as it is. Like that you have to do. That is bit masking. Like you have to keeping certain bits and changing any other bits, or keeping certain bits and changing only the few bits. Like that. Just masking the bits. That is utilized in companies, like when you go with IR projects. Now, there you may utilize these concepts. Okay, online can see, right? For offline.
क्या है पगलेट?
What is the requirement we had in our
अरे
question?
पागल क्लास ले चुप
We
हो
need
जा.
to create it too.
ऐसा देंगे ना झपड़ने मुंह पर तभी थोपिया देंगे.
We need to create it two models. One model is under the name of sample.
लपड़ा
We
जाएगा.
don't have any input output pins, so we'll keep it as it is. Then one more module is top. Okay. Then inside your sample, let me declare a integer a whose array size is of
अरे गेट बंद कर पागल औरत.
8 bit. That's enough, right? Then we'll take a task.
लगता
Task
है कि
for
तो खाली
what?
मूड ही खराब है. मैं जैसा मार बिना मार के तो सुनते हो.
Give me a second. I can.
चुप हो जाना पागल औरत. मार खानी है क्या? ऐसा मुंह तोड़ने की तरह मुंह घुमा हुआ ही है. अब क्या घूमेगा? अब तो एक घूमेगा तो एक बार ही ऊपर चले जाएंगे. तो तेरे को तो मैं घुमाऊं, अच्छे से घुमाऊं पूरा 360 डिग्री. कोई एक भी नहीं पहचानेगा. मम्मी मम्मी
Okay. Task for what? To generate a random values for your array. So how you will generate your random values for your array? Let me keep it as data. What you are generating a data. You need to send that data to your sample. Whatever you are generating here within this task, you need to send that and save that inside your array. Okay. So let me generate certain value here. In SV, do you need to write this begin and end? Huh? Um, didn't he showed? He showed, I guess, in the morning. No need of begin and end in your SV. Okay. Let me take it. Okay, will not take that one. Let me declare an output pin under integer. Why integer means I need to save integer values, right? So that is why I am keeping. You can keep it here, Raj also. But the size should be of how much you are generating now. That size should be there. Like if you are keeping Reg here, and if you want to say certain values means, let me give it 7 down to 0. That means 8-bit data. Each location can take 8-bit data. So here can I keep it integer? Why can't? In integer it is a 32-bit, right? It can generate 8-bit data. You can keep it, not a problem. Okay. Let me take C here. So I will see whatever I generate here. Will take a range in between 20 to 30. That is enough, right? In terms, they like output integer. So, what will be the reason? What is the reason for that, miss? Whatever you are generating, you need to send that part to here, right? So, or else you can take a input of A. Okay. You keep it here and you generate whatever you saving now. You can directly generate, take A and keep it here. The for loop. Okay. Then with after that you can do this one. But you are generating in the task and you need to send that to other person. That is A. You're not taking from A, but you are sending to A. That you have to think. Okay. When you are sending, that means you keep it output. For the headers, A and B are all coming from where? From where you are used to generate that A, B, and C outside, right? There you send the values, and here you catch the values and you do the performance. But what I am doing here itself, I am generating now. That is why I am taking output pin. So I need to, whatever I generating, I need to send that output. Okay, that is why I kept it output. I will send this data and save it inside this A. In previously, you used to get it. Here, you are sending. That's it. Okay. Okay. Then this is C. Now I return for the data generation. So let me catch the whatever I am doing. I will call here in the talk module. So before that, let me slash it. Fine. I will keep it as it is. Do this initial begin end. So within for loop begin here I equals to 0, I less than dollar size. Okay, dollar size for SV, right? EDA playground. And work in EDA playground. You don't work here. Keep it head. I equals to I plus 1. Then the data. So what you are getting and see values. Each time your for loop runs now, a different value will come. That value you need to store it inside your A. So I will keep it here. A of I. So for each indexes, it will take whatever the value generated that will be stored inside your A. Okay. So consider you had this I equals to 0. That time your C being generated like C took the value like 20. Okay. That 20 was saved inside your A of 0 equals to 20. Okay. In the next time, like if this get incremented, here you got some another value like 22. That will become here. Within the index of 1, your value will be saved like this. Okay. So if you want to use this A is present in another module, not in my module. I need to use that A means I need to instantiate this module first, then I have to use it. So let me instantiate that one, the module name, then a instance name, then empty port list. Okay. That without port list, now I'm sorry for that. That will work in SV, not here actually. That I forgot. In Verilog, it won't work. Without this open closing bracket, now that also you can keep it. But here in the Verilog, you have to keep it. Then here, if you want to access that A, you have to access through XMR concept. That means a dot instance name dot whatever the thing you want to access that one. I want to access this A, so I am taking that A here. Okay. And this is over. To print, I need to use a function. Function print. And function begin. And so in Verilog, you need to return certain values. So you can return any integer or any range values. Okay. I will keep it a range here. Then you need to get any input also. So for that one now, we'll think of it. Now just keep it this one. The returning value, I will send the return value as in 1. Okay. So what I am returning a reg type. Okay, I need to catch that value, right? So let me declare a variable. Okay. Print. So I will catch that value to this value. So let me write the display statement first. Display of custom percentage 0D and here percentage 0D. So I want the index also and I want my array values also. So let me take a one more variable b. So that means I need to send a two variable. One is, let me take integer, that is I under t underscore t and b. Okay, both of are integer. I underscore t means it's index value I am sending, and b is meant for the values. At that index you have a 0, you have 20, right? And 1 you had the 22. That values I am getting. Okay. So which are all inputs? Let me write it as input. So here I need to send that index and my value. Okay, and your task and the function are from the sample. So if you are using that task and function means here also you have to use in dot.
Ma'am, what is data?
Let me write one more display here to see what all it is being generated. Okay. That's all right. Did I miss it anything like semicolon, begin and end, or any code?
Ma'am,
Let me take it under do.
ma'am, hello.
Hmm. We live work. Then what do I need to write? Vlog. Hmm? Top. Why top? Can't I write sample? Your main functionality depends upon the top, not on the sample. Sample is like a sum you are keeping like class. You are borrowing certain activity from that and doing that activity inside your top. You don't want. You give it to Mira. Why you are throwing that one? Vlog top dot v. Oh, sorry. I am saying for this one. That is the name of the file. So vsim. For the vsim, you have to keep it top. Okay. Then I don't need the waveform. Keep down hyphen all. For year in vsim, you need to add no v of suppress hyphen suppress 12110. For what? For mental questism. Okay. If you are trying to run in questism, you have to keep it that way. Let me close this one. Let me delete this. You know how to open in terminal? Like in terminal, you used to open the model sim, right? What about in the Questus sim, you know that one? I don't know. That is why I'm asking. I forgot that one. That is not working for me. There is a error. Okay, hi. Can I declare a year? Hmm? Can I cannot declare it not allowed in the unnamed block. That means what do I need to do? I need to name a block. That means labeling. If you label that one, it will allow you to do. What you are labeling? You are labeling your begin and end. Okay. Let me see. As do I need to keep one more begin and end? It's okay. There is a error. What is it? And the val unresolved variable val where I return. I'm sorry. Instead of keeping there, then that's the problem, right? These are the values you are being generated and that is being saved in your array. Whatever you are generating, that is being getting saved in your array itself. Okay. Hmm? Print equals to 1 now. In your Verilog, it need to return something, right? Your function need to return something. It return using the function name. This is your return type. In return type, what I am keeping reg and using print. Print is my function name. Using that one, I need to return. So I am returning 1. You can return 0 also. Integer also you can keep it. It's fine. Can keep it here integer and you can send any values. 1 is also fine, 0 is also fine. It is also integers, right? So we can just to return something you need to return now. That is why. So here you need to change the val is also need to be changed as integer. So if you print that one now, you will get that. Let me print that one also. The value each time for each index you are getting 10 only. The 10 I am returning here. Okay. Is there any other doubts?
Ma'am?
Okay. Consider this is the value you earlier had in your VAL. Okay. Now I need to do masking here and I want to make it changes um, from 3 to 6. Okay. From 3 to 6 we will make a change. We will make it as an unknowns. We will keep it as an unknowns. For that one, let me take one more variable. Reg, which need from 3 to 6 means how many was the size? 4 bit. So we'll keep it 4 bit. A. So let me comment this. It's also this. Okay, let me keep it this one. Okay. So here, food tick B. Okay. Hmm? If I do hand here, what do I get? What do you will get? If I do directly and here, what do you will get? I need to make from 3. Where is this indexes? Can you tell me the indexes of each value? This is 7. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Right. From 3 to 6 I need to make. And rest of the bit I want to keep it as same. Then what do I need to do? How do I make? Hmm? No, that will become complex. I don't want to go for the complex. You can take a slice of it. How you will take a slice of vector? Huh? Huh. And how you will make this, how you will come up with solution. Instead of 4 bit, you keep it 8 only. Here also sum it down to 0. If I do hand, what do I get? Will I get the values? 1, unknown, unknown, 1, 0, 0. Will I get this value? Huh? 0 hand with 0, 0, 0 hand with 0, 0, 1 hand with 1, 1, 1 hand with XOR. Sorry, and unknown, right? What you will get? Unknown, right? 0. If you get 1, that means you will get 1. Or else if there is a 0, that means it's 0. So both are, you may get 0 and 1. So that means you need to keep it unknown only. So you don't know, right, which one you will get. This is also like metastability state. You can't identify whether you get 0 or 1. That's it, right? That's it. Let me display this one. Hmm? What? What happened? Okay. Variable declaration assignments are allowed only in the module level. If it is automatic, okay. Let me take this. The entire unknown is coming. That means what do I need to change? This is a logical. So we need to keep it bitwise. I am saving year, like year. You get one. Why one?
दाल गिर गया था गलती से.
Decimal. Huh? Bitwise, what is that? Then you said that is logical. This is bitwise. Which one logical? Which one bitwise?
अरे अभी दो दूंगा
Huh?
यार, आ रहा हूँ मैं.
Then yeah, now again change it. Why previously didn't change? That is the correct answer. Earlier you got unknowns, right? That is correct
अरे
because it's a
मैं
decimal
क्लास
value
चल
I
क्या
am
कर रहे हो यार?
printing. Now you will get entered values.
हैं? क्या बोल रहे हो?
Oh, that is zero because. Can you tell me why it is zero? Hmm. It is zero. That is why. That one I what do I need to do that one? If I want keep it as an unknown. Change the bit. No, consider you have this was sent from some way someone else. You can't change that. What do you will do? You can't do anything. What else we can do? Like we can't if we want to get it this zero as an unknown now, how we will do for the hand operation? You can't do that one. What about and? Sorry, R XR 01 XR. Can you do XR? What about X now? Hmm? The R operation will give one. XR now. These values you can't keep it same. That will change. This that will become zero. All the values will become zero. What do you guys are discussing? No, I thought you are came up with the solution. Online? Online knows the solution. Solution. Hmm. Okay.
अरे चुप रहा पगले.
That is not coming to my mind also. If you get to know, let me know. Okay.
बोलो पढ़ाई चल रही,
Or
समझ नहीं आ
else we
रहा.
have to come up with 2 or 3 gates and like again her and that thing you have to do and so complex. But you understood the concept of masking, right? Hmm. Okay. You go. You start doing those assignments. After that, we will hand. If you have any doubts, you can ask that. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, yesterday function you gave three questions. In the third one once.
Third one. What is the question I given? Declare a array using same. This is the same. Like assigning the value to array and displaying like that. Function. We are not getting values.
X, I'm getting X.
Unknowns.
Task is working correctly, ma'am. In function, value also randomly generating, but while displaying it, I'm getting X values.
So you generated what value? Where you are generating the value?
Here, function integer.
Wait, oh, you commented, Okay. That value, you have to keep it output. Now only we discuss it now. You generated that you need to send to your array now. That is why you have to keep it in your output. And where you are getting that function also. Mm. Oh no. You can't. Oh yeah, this is Verilog, right? You can't keep the output base. You have to keep it certain inputs. Using num only, you return that value. Instead of value,
भूख
na,
लग रही है यार.
here you keep it num. The function name is there, right? You can return through function name, na. Okay. You can return through function name that you can do. So whatever you get here, na, you save it somewhere. Like let it be. Just come. Let it come. And you keep that somewhere. That's it. Is this here you need to say send something. Just send. Okay. So this 10 will come and save to value 1. Okay. But here whatever you are generating new value now, that will be going through num1 and will be saved inside. You need to save inside your A. That is A of I. Okay. So here also sending high and value. The value A, A of I. So it's a function we will return something. So here what you are returning?
Value one.
Okay, whatever you are getting the value, that is you will display. Okay, fine, that one. Set with this one.
धूलता आज किसी से कोई नहीं तेरे.
Okay, once you done that questions now, let me know. Yeah,
Ma'am?
the timing. That is enough, right? You can do those questions. 230. You don't need to write entire thing. Do these four questions. After that, starting four questions, then one, two, third, fourth. You can try fourth also. Fifth one, sixth. So you can try these things, right? Same array. There is nothing changes.
चुप हो जा. देखा मार मारेंगे मेरी.
Hmm?
PDF
छट्टी का रोज याद दिला देंगे.
Or else, if you don't have credential, you can use model sim also. Not a problem. For these things, it will work. For certain things, it won't work. Whatever you possible, you can do. But in these questions, you must do fifth one and literal rules, and second one, first one. Those questions you have to completely done. Total 7 questions you have to complete. Including theory. Starting 4 theory questions, and after SV literal questions is there. Now there you have to do 3. First, second, and fourth and fifth. Fourth, not fourth, the fifth.
है
The multi-dimension array sir showed you.
तो क्या करूं मम्मी?
Did sir showed the
अरे वो
multi-dimension
गलती से
array?
चूहा आ गया, चूहे को मारने में लग गया। चूहा आ गया था तो चूहे को मारने में लग गया था।
Explain it. Did he assign it any value? Nothing, right? So okay, you leave that fourth one.
अरे तो गाली मत दे,
You
तो
do
समझ
for
नहीं आ
the
रहा
fifth
क्या?
one. Data types. Sixth one also you can do. The comparing A and B. Did he
लगता है कि आज
done?
मार खाएगी ये औरत मेरे हाथ से।
The integer comparison it is easy, right? You did in Verilog also. Can do that one.
हाँ दिखाना तो डर लग जाएगा, दिखाता।
Packed array you can do, right? It's a vector type. Similar like
जाएगा
a
नहीं क्या?
vector. Seventh question you can do. And the eighth one
अब
also.
ज्यादा चुप हो जा, अब ज्यादा
Ninth.
नाटक मत कर। अब बोल।
You can do most of the questions, huh? Ayyo.
लो आया बाहर को जाओ।
You can do all questions
मेरा
except
एग्जाम
this
चल रहा है, मैं तो नहीं जा रहा
fourth. Leave that fourth, and you do all those questions. And here in second question, leave that
जाओ ना, बाहर क्यों आया यार?
few associative array, mailbox, and struct and union. You can leave that part, and when you learn that, you just add that. Okay. Have to tell me what all the things you have done today, and you can leave afterwards. Guys, your name? Praveen. Akash. Is this correct? AK. Is it? That's it. Akash. Okay. Next. This tree. Hi. Here. Hi. Yes, sir. then H1. And is this V or W? H. Okay. Okay, let me, once you're done, let me know. Do you have any doubts? You can ask in the middle.
मम्मी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या? चुपचाप रहने के लिए बोल
No,
रहा हूँ।
no,
पगले।
Lavanya. So I muted everyone.
दे दो।
Did I?
आज
No.
मार खाएगी औरत, और कुछ नहीं है।
Theory question now. You keep one GVM file. Inside that you write all your theory questions. Only questions which are need to be executed, you execute those questions. Okay, rest of the theory should be in one file. One GVM file.
अरे तो तू पागल है क्या? बिल्कुल मना करो, तेरे को क्लास चल रही, समझ में नहीं आ रहा। एक तो रखना आता है नहीं, दूसरों को बोल रही है। कैसे तैसे रखा था सब्जियां, और मैं ना उसको तो सही कर देना, तो आज पूरा ही गिर जाता आज। दाल। अब चुप हो जा, तेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा बिल्कुल। डर बिल्कुल नहीं है मेरे 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 से ना। अरे पढ़ाई करने देना, पागल है क्या तू? इसके पागल औरत। हेलो मैम। लगता है आज मेरे को गेम बजाना पड़ेगा तेरा तेरा ना। उठ गया ना मैं, तो कोई नहीं बचाएगा मेरे से। ए? साली तब तक मैं रहूं, तेरी याद रहेगी तुम्हें, ए दोस्ती करते हैं हम वो। आज आशिकी के तुम पर चले, ये दुनिया है, याद करेगी कब तक। ओ सांवरे, ओ सांवरे। जिया न जाए सचैन। तिपी तिपी आसमां के। मम्मी, तो मैं सुधार दूंगा, मैं तब सुधरेगी क्या? है? क्या बोल रही है पगलेट? System Verilog is an industry standard language for performing a verification of a complex design. Now, in fact, if you wish to proceed to a UVM, you need to have a fundamental understanding of a system Verilog. Then, migrating to an UVM becomes easy. So, our agenda in these two courses will be to cover fundamentals of a system Verilog, and the second course will predominantly deal with applying the fundamentals that we learn to real designs, right? In this specific course, we will be predominantly focusing on the fundamental part of our system Verilog, right? So in detail analysis of all the fundamentals which you have in a system Verilog and which you require to perform a verification of a design, right? So this include understanding of a classes, methods, randomization, inter-process communication, interfaces, test bench architecture, and how you start building your classes, right? The primary objective of first part of this course will be to make you capable of writing your own classes, right? So when we consider the test-bench architecture with the system Verilog, so we have a different component for a different task, right? So your objective should be that you are capable of developing an individual component, right? And once you are ready with the fundamental, in the second part of a course, we'll start applying the concept that we learn in the first part to the complex designs, right? So this include verification of common interfaces, common bus protocols, and common devices that you frequently use. The first course will be like this. So first we'll start with how you use an IDE, right? So we will be focusing primarily on a two IDE. First one is a cloud-based IDE, which is very popular, and we'll understand how to use an EDA playground. And second one, we'll be focusing on the IDE from a Xilinx, right? So which support most of the constructs, so you won't be finding any difficulty, right? So how we use system Verilog code in a Vivado, that is what we will be understanding. So section 1 predominantly focuses on how we work around with an IDs, right? So once you are familiar with an ID, we start with the second section where we'll try to understand how you work. क्या बोल रही है यार? उसको मत कर मम्मी, वो वापिस से हो जाएगा, वापिस गिरेगा तो तुझे देख के रखना चाहिए ना, 10 बार तेरे को पता नहीं लगता है क्या? तेरे को ज्यादा ऐसा देंगे ना, 10 सटाट सटाट पटाट पटाट दे देंगे। मम्मी around with the signals, right? So when we consider any design, the ports could be divided into three categories, right? First one is a global signals, which are present in our design. Along with the global signal, मम्मी पानी आया। पानी पानी। ओ मम्मी मेरे को प्यास लग रही, पानी पिला दो ना एक गिलास। पिला दो यार पगलेट औरत। मम्मी वो काम स्टार्ट हो गया बिहार में, पता आपको? वापिस से खाता वाला। अरे जमा पूंजी वाला। हाँ, मेरा दोस्त बता रहा था। मेरा दोस्त बता रहा था।
You can hear my voice, right? I'm not muted. Yes, ma'am. Log in 1 second or else.
हम्म। नहीं।
Online, how many questions are over?
Hmm? नहीं नहीं
Hmm? Try to do small questions first, then go with bigger ones. The marks, the fourth question is about marks, right? You can do that one. It's easier, right? That kind of questions, whatever you know now, that one you do first, then go for the bigger ones. Shivani, how many questions have been done? Kaling? Lavanya? Either doing third.
yes ma'am
Which question you are doing? Which questions you have completed?
ma'am question number second ma'am
You are doing. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, you can check yourself. Anuma?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question you are doing?
Ma'am, Verilog basic questions, fifth one, ma'am.
Question. Fifth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Data types.
No, system Verilog basic questions starting, ma'am. Implement 2x1 max using gates, ma'am.
Okay, fourth one now. Ah,
Ma'am.
system very long. Wait, that question. The fourth question.
Fifth one, ma'am.
Which assignment?
Assignment 2, ma'am.
Can you tell me the question? Question.
Implement 2x1 max using gates, ma'am.
The
That
fourth one, ra. Sub question, na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Calling Shivani and calling. Which are the questions you are doing? In SV, just you need to put dot SV. That's it. Everything will be same, right? Okay.
मम्मी
Shivani, which question you are doing? Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
I wanted to know that, like,
Yes.
assignment, whatever we like, whatever questions we know we have to do, and submit it now or like later.
Not now, you can submit later, like once you complete entire things, right? So some of them you don't know, right? The construct, union, and associative arrays, you don't know those yet, right?
Yes.
So you can keep it, and once those concepts over, na, that time you can upload.
Okay.
Or else whatever the questions you know, na, that you submit as in sub B, and another one, the leftover question as in sub B, like that. That would be more helpful. Like people, what do you think means you did something at least, like not full, at least you completed the which are all you have done right now, no? So that would be more better than that. So keeping to do different subs, then you submit those.
Okay. Ma'am.
Kali, which one you are doing? Yeah, in assignment to which question? Asha, which question? The second one. Okay, next. Soumya. Same, huh? And you, Ramya? Same. All. Suman, which one? Third one. So, Suman, who is Suman? You right. Others, fourth. Santosh, right? Guru? Anand? Third. Kaling. Sixth one. Okay. Soumya? Third. Praveen? Yes. Now shifted to third one. Akash? Huh? Doing second one now. Srinivas, same, huh? If one person do, everyone having that completed that. No, Paka. Yashwant, yours same. Hmm? First. Which one you are doing?